Whoa, the weather is fantastically hot today. It's another fine day in Tokyo, and I thought, you know what, I'd come out with my camera and get some shots in some areas that I haven't been to for a long time. I've been to many times before, but the last time was a long time ago. So this is probably one of the best train spotting spots in pretty much most of Tokyo. So I'm just outside of Akihabara, a bit north of Kanda, I guess, and across to... Oh. I'm near to a place called Ocha-no-mizu, which kind of translates to like tea water. So Ocha, tea, and then mizu is water. So I don't know what's in this river, but it might be tea. Anyway, this is one of the best spots for spotting trains. There's a number of different areas around here. There's multiple train lines that come across. I can count, so 2 on this bridge going this way, 2 Chuo line going that way, plus another JR. There's the Marunouchi over there, there's another line. So collectively, there's probably about 7 or 8 tracks, maybe more. And then there's another in the distance as well, kind of overlaps and whatever. So, I've been coming here many times over the years, and hold on a minute. I've been coming here many times over the years, but I don't think I've ever featured it in any sort of videos. I've definitely posted about it on my stories, and I know that one of the best viewpoints is actually way up there. It's quite a popular spot, so we're going to make our way over there. But for now, I'm just sort of scouting around. We got a train coming through. Yo, what's up, train? Marunouchi. Not to be confused with mariachi. Yeah, so I'm just gonna kind of scout the scene, try and pull some shots around. It's nice and soft light at the moment. It's kind of like breaking through in a few areas, but yeah, looking good. So I've timed this just as it's getting to sort of rush hour. It's like 5:30 p.m. And I'm hoping that means that there's gonna be the max amount of trains coming through, plus the best light. So sunset around this time of year is 6:15. So we're coming towards the end of the summer. Sunset doesn't fluctuate that much throughout the year in Japan, just its proximity on the equator. Yeah, so should hopefully get the trifecta: location, subject, and lighting. Let's hope. So there are actually 2 bridges in this vicinity with good viewpoints. So let's see if we can work the scene a little bit here and then see what we can find. It's quite nice already. Boss train. So I guess perfect spot would be if we get Marunouchi coming through this line, something coming up the Chuo line here. Chuo line over there, currently waiting to go back this way. Another train over the bridge. Can you get all of them at once? Might be possible. Here we go. A little late on that. Let me find my framing first. Kind of like straight down the line. Okay, we got this one ready to leave in a moment. Are we going to get another Marunouchi, the red one, coming through this anytime soon? Oh, one's just gone. Oh, we got one coming. Here we go. Now, I want its head just poking out of the tunnel. Ideally coming the other way, because then the lights will be on. There's no way of seeing it coming in advance. Okay. Oh, one coming over the bridge. Oh, it's going to be a pain to find the best one, I can feel it. The things I'm focusing on are the headlights. I like seeing the headlights. Just add a little bit of flair to the image. The thing is, you don't get the headlights at the back of the train, they're only at the front. Let's move a little further around. Okay, Sobu line's going over the bridge. Come on, Marinochi. Come out of that tunnel. Here we go, you bastard. Oh my god. That's cool. It's tricky. I can't decide if I want horizontal or vertical. Let me look. Okay. What I'm gonna do, there's one coming. Oh, here we go. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at the departure times of the nearby stations. See how frequent they are. Can I do it with a timer? So 2 minutes on that. JR is every 3 minutes on the Chuo line. Every 3 minutes on Chuo Sobu, oh my god. So we've got a 2 minute variance, 3 minute variance. So that means every 6 minutes they're gonna line up. Hopefully. There's another one that shares the track. I need a spreadsheet. Okay, I'm actually gonna see what slightly different view is a little further. Fuck's sake. Every time. You can see what the view is a little further up the bridge. Yeah, and then I'm wondering, maybe a way to attempt this is just set my camera up on a time-lapse mode and just let it do interval shooting. Hope for the best, pick it out later. Thank God for digital, eh? Pretty much always guaranteed there will be some other photographers here as well. It is a popular spot, has been for years. And, you know, good views create queues. I'm not complaining about that at all. Everyone can get their shot. I actually quite like this with the road as well. But I want the tunnel as well. Oh, look at the light over here, damn. I could even frame with a little bit of bush in the front. Coming out the bush, into the tunnel. I actually do like a little bit of bush. That's quite nice. You can just kind of get in, right in there. Frame it. A bit of foreground interest. Yes. All right. This is a little bit sketchy. It's kind of balancing. We're doing all right. All right, let's go. Interval time of shooting. Interval every 2 seconds. Is every 2 seconds going to be enough? Maybe every second might be better. I guess the benefit of doing it like this as well is I can actually just stitch it together. I could fake it later in Photoshop, as long as the lighting doesn't change too much when, you know, one of the trains comes across all of the lines. I can sort of stitch them in. If I don't move the framing, yeah, maybe. I think what I'll do is I'll wait until one comes over the bridge so I can get that way as well and stitch it if I need to. But otherwise I can already tell that this interval shooting is probably not the way to do it. Yeah, it's not going to work well as a time-lapse, as a backup, and it's just kind of not going to time things well. What I should do is just leave on the tripod, wait for all the right moments, and then just snap, snap, snap. In fact, what am I doing? I should do that now. Oh, what an idiot. Concentrating on the wrong things and move the camera. I'm a professional, I swear. So it's a job when it's like super hot, kind of coming out with bare bones equipment because I don't want to be carrying too much. To make this better, I'd probably use some sort of cable release, so I'm not touching the tripod, which is only a bipod at the moment. The third leg isn't really touching. This is mecha gilly gilly. I'm now beginning to wonder if I like the bush or not. All right, let's reframe. in reframing and removing the bush, I've been able to get all 3 legs of my tripod firmly grounded and found a different spot. I am just holding onto it though so it doesn't nudge. And my plan is for this moment, I'm gonna stitch them all together. Let's see what I can get. It is getting dark fairly rapidly now. It's a nice day, really nice day. Oh, this is quite sweet. There's a guy out there who's been stopping people to see if he can get them to take a photo of him with the trains. And I think he seems to be doing a good job. So far he's had about 3 or 4 people stop. So maybe the people taking the photos aren't doing a good job. Ooh, we got double. I'm hoping that if I get a good version of this, I'm going to test the print, because I personally want one, but also it'd be nice to get my print store back open and running. If you don't know when that is, by the way, subscribe to my email list, and I'll be releasing some prints hopefully before the end of the year. I've been super busy building lots of stuff offline over the last year or so. As you know, I haven't really been uploading videos and all sorts. Been busy with lots of things, yeah, can't make any promises, but I've been doing stuff offline, which is good. This could be good. We've got 2 over there just arrived at around the same time, which I hope means they're going to leave at the same time. And I'm just going to wait and hope that a Marinochi is going to come through the tunnel. One has just gone through. It does come through faster than the others. How long is these going to sit at the platform? We're going to get one going through the other. Ah! It's happening, but it's not quite right timing. No. They are holding at the platform. They're holding at the platform a significant amount of time. Doors are closing on 1. Sobu line. We've got one coming over the bridge as well. Come on, tunnel. Come on, come on, tunnel. Bring it. Takoi. Come on, tunnel. Come on, tunnel. Come on, tunnel. The tail end of the train. Come on, come on. Bridge. No. This is like that time I was trying to recreate my accidental best train shot ever, and I went back and forth on the train for about 3 or 4 hours, and then it just got dark. But I did get the shot. I did get the shot. Yeah. Fighting against time, light, and train schedules. Man. What? Motherfucker. Got it on video. I got it on stories. People think I'm a lunatic, but I just love trains. Dun 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 shot. Okay, we've got 2 depart at the same time. I'm gonna get one through the tunnel, come on. Always the tunnel. Yes! Yes! That was it. That was the shot. I got the shot. 2 on the bridge, 1 around the bend, 1 through the tunnel. That was it. All right. Got the shot. I think, I hope. Lighting is pretty much perfect. It is soft with still a little bit of a haze. Exact sunset time. Spot on. We got some yakitori smoke coming across as well. That was it. And the funny thing is I was about to say, the Chuo-sen is notoriously known as one of the only train lines in pretty much all of Japan, I'd say, definitely Tokyo, to be notoriously known for having delays. It just has so many branches and all sorts. You know, give it credit, it's probably the biggest and longest of all of the networks. And yeah, if there's going to be a delay on a train in Japan, It'll be the Chua line. That's the orange one. It's going right there. So, yeah, you can't really go by the schedule, but with patience, get the shot. Put that on a t-shirt. Before I leave, I'm just gonna actually check I did get the shot. Felt like I did. We got 3. Perfect, perfect. We got exactly the shot that I wanted. I'm gonna edit this, I'm gonna throw it on the screen, and it's gonna be available as a print. Click the link in the description, or the top comment, or wherever it is. Go find that link. I'm gonna put it everywhere, and enjoy the print. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.